Here are 10 fascinating facts about the PSG-Marseille rivalry, also known as Le Classique, packed with intrigue, history, and the kind of drama that transcends football. 1. France's biggest football rivalry. Le Classique. In French football, no clash is bigger than Le Classique, the fiercely contested showdown between Paris Saint-Germain PSG and Olympique de Marseille. It's the Ligue 1 equivalent of Spain's El Clasico or England's Northwest Derby, combining high-stakes football with deep cultural and regional divides. What makes it unique in France is that it pits the only two French clubs ever to win the UEFA Champions League against each other. Marseille made history first in 1993, becoming a jamais les premiers forever first when they beat AC Milan 1-0 in Munich. For over 3 decades, fans held that as an uncheckable bragging right, but in 2025, PSG finally matched, and in some ways surpassed, that feat, defeating Inter Milan 5-0 in Berlin to lift their first Champions League trophy as part of a historic treble, also winning Ligue 1 and the Coupe de France. This shift has changed the dynamic of the rivalry. Marseille supporters can no longer taunt PSG for lacking Europe's biggest prize, but they still lean on their first-to-do-it status. Meanwhile, PSG fans now see themselves as having erased the last major stain on their record, claiming total supremacy in both domestic and continental terms. 2. Historic head-to-head record. Over 100 meetings later, PSG had the edge, 52 wins to OM's 34, with 23 draws. That's not just a stat, it's a scoreboard in the ongoing debate over who truly dominates French football. In Ligue 1 matches alone, PSG's superiority is clear, 39 wins to 32, but perhaps more telling is their dominance in cup competitions. PSG have beaten Marseille in 13 of their 18 encounters outside the league, losing just twice. Historically, the balance of power has swung like a pendulum. In the late 80s and early 90s, Marseille were on top, collecting league titles under Bernard Tapie. By the late 2000s, the tide shifted.